We all know how important sleep and rest truly are. It's Alexandra with WTI, and personally, if I don't have a good night's sleep, I will feel tired the next day. So I like to do everything I can to get a good rest at night. Recently, I found out about melatonin. While the brain naturally produces it in response to darkness, a melatonin supplement provides the body with more of it. This melatonin by nature's bounty has been a game changer. You can see more details about it on the bottle's label. It has 5 milligrams of melatonin and includes other ingredients such as magnesium. I love that it is free of artificial flavors and sweeteners and free from sugar, starch, lactose, and other things. The serving size is 1 tablet, so 1 tablet before going to sleep is enough. Something else that I find perfect about this supplement is the tablet size. The tablets are not big, so they are easy to swallow, and you get enough for 2 months as the bottle has 60 tablets. And that's my point of view.